Welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change your IP address or put a static IP address in any Linux operating system. So this video is for those who are new to Linux operating system and they are trying to learn Linux. So let me just show you. I'm going to use Kali Linux for this demonstration. So let me just open my terminal first. Okay. So the terminal is open now. So I'm going to type IP space ADDR. So in this particular command that I have just typed IP space ADDR, it will show us the Ethernet ports and their IP address. So all the Ethernet ports you have in your system, it will show us all the details over here. So this is the loopback IP and this is the IP address right now I'm using in my ATH0 Ethernet port. So it's saying that the inet is this and this is the subnet marks. This is the broadcast. Okay, so you can check over here. You can simply change the IP address. So this is your NIC card. So we are going to click over here and then edit connection. Then going to double click on it. Then click over here IPv4. So over here you can see this is my manual IP.